Hello and welcome to Point of View. NASA today launched its first mission to protect Earth from the kind of calamity that extinguished the dinosaurs. Today the American Space Agency launched a space probe into an asteroid to alter its speed and course. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, mission was launched in the wee hours of November 24th Eastern Time aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The 610-kilogram solar-powered spacecraft will cruise for 10 months before crashing into a stadium-sized asteroid called Dimorphos to see how much its speed and path can be altered. It's the first attempt to deflect an asteroid for the purpose of learning how to protect Earth, though this particular asteroid presents no threat. Asteroids are the leftover building blocks of the solar system. In the extremely rare event that a space rock's path crosses that of Earth so that the two objects intersect at the same time, a collision may occur. The 330 million DARTMission will target a pair of asteroids that closely orbit each other. The larger of the two objects, called Didymos, measures around 780 meters across, while its smaller companion Dimorphos is around 160 meters wide. The two rocks travel about 1 kilometer apart. Dimorphos orbits its larger sibling every 11 hours and 55 minutes, just like clockwork. To give a sense of scale, the 160-meter wide Dimorphos is about twice as large as the Statue of Liberty and about half the size of the Eiffel Tower. After the launch, DART will first escape the Earth's gravity following its own orbit around the Sun. DART will strike in September 2022 when the asteroids are nearest to Earth, only about 6.8 million miles or 11 million kilometers away. The plan is to hit Dimorphos at a speed of around 15,000 miles per hour or 6.6 kilometers per second with a car-sized DART spacecraft. That's fast enough to hop from New York to Paris in just 15 minutes. The impact should change the speed of the object by a fraction of a millimeter per second, in turn altering its orbit around Didymos. It's a very small shift, but it could be just enough to knock an object off a collision course with Earth. DART is carrying a camera called Draco that will provide images of both asteroids and help the spacecraft point itself in the correct direction to smash into Dimorphos. About 10 days before DART hits the target, the American spacecraft will deploy a small Italian-built CubeSat called LiCiaCube. Roughly the size of a shoebox, the CubeSat will send back images of the impact, the plume of debris kicked up, and the resulting crater. The CubeSat will fly past Dimorphos just 3 minutes after DART's crash. With two cameras on board, LiCiaCube will autonomously track the larger spacecraft and let Earth see both DART's impact and its aftermath. The tiny change in Dimorphos' path around Didymos will be measured by telescope on Earth. From Earth, scientists will be able to observe any changes to asteroids' orbit after impact and judge how well DART has worked. DART will use laser targeting and other high-resolution technologies to autonomously choose its impact point. As it races towards the rock, the DART's own camera will send images back to Earth. Not only is it NASA's first planetary defense mission, but DART also represents SpaceX's first mission launching a spacecraft to another planetary body. Oh, and DART won't be the end of the story. A follow-up mission run by the European Space Agency called HERA will launch in 2024. But that's a topic for another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.